Hey guys, it's Ashaya. Today I'm back with another video for you, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 really easy, really fun DIYs that you can do for your bedroom using fake flowers. I haven't done any of these before myself, so wish me luck. If you enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. And I have all my materials here with me. I'm ready to go, so let's get started. So the first DIY I have to show you are these really cool little flower ball things that I found on Pinterest. All you need for this are foam or styrofoam balls, any size that you want. I think this one is 6 inches in diameter, some fake flowers, any kind you want, a hot glue gun, and some scissors or wire cutters, and some twine if you want to hang them from your ceiling. Okay, so I've gone ahead and just used my wire cutters to cut the flowers about 1 inch down at the stem. And now we're going to take our styrofoam ball, our hot glue gun, mine's already warmed up, and the flowers. And we're just going to take a dab of hot glue and put it on the end of the flower. And then we're going to stick it in our styrofoam ball. There we go. And we're just going to repeat that for all of our flowers. Okay, so I've gone ahead and finished adding my flowers off camera, and I left a little spot at the top. So now I'm going to take my twine, and since this is going to be hanging from the ceiling, I've cut it to about the length I want it to hang down, plus a few inches. So now I'm just going to find the end of this twine, and I'm going to kind of make it into a loopy pattern. I don't really know, there's not really a method to this, but I'm just going to loop it around a few times and put some hot glue on it so it sticks together. And once that kind of dries, I'm just going to put some more hot glue and stick it into the little gap in my flowers here, and I will let this dry and be right back to show you guys. So my little lasso loopy looking thing is dry now, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some hot glue around it on the bottom and a little bit of hot glue to where I want to stick it on the foam ball. And being careful so I don't burn myself, I'm just going to stick this onto my foam ball and push it down and hold it there for a few seconds until it's pretty dry. And then I'm just going to get another one of my little fake flowers, add another little bit of hot glue to the end of that, and stick it over this so it's covering it. And then with what else you can see of the little gap in my flowers, I'm just going to take some hot glue, put it on the foam ball, and press the flower petals down so you can't really see the actual foam ball. So this is what the finished product looks like. I think it turned out really good and would definitely like to call this a success. So to start with this one, I'm just going to pull all of the fake flowers off their stems. And now, as you can see, I'm just taking the fake flowers and hot gluing them around the border of the mirror, wherever I think they'll look nice. So with my extra flowers, I went ahead and just glued those around the mirror wherever I thought they would look cute. And this is my finished product. Also, don't mind my messy room in the background, you guys. I'm really bad at cleaning. So for this next one, all you're going to want to do is get some fake flowers that you think are going to look good together, and your hot glue gun. And what you're going to want to do is cut these or pull these off at the bottom of the stem. I don't know if these can pull off, but I know you can cut them off. and then you're going to take them and you're going to hot glue the stem in between the petals of another. And you're just going to want to make that in a chain as long as you want your little hanging flower chains to be. So now I've got some invisible twine and I've measured how long I want it to be. I know where I want it to go, so I've measured how long that is and added a few inches again. And now all I'm going to do is tie it to the top of each of the flower chains and string them together. So as you can see here with my flower chains, what I ended up doing was just making 4 rows instead of the 5 I planned on with the flowers, and I've just strung them up on the wall behind my bed, and I really like the way this one looks. I think it's really pretty, and I feel like it would be really cute if you just even got some paper clips or clothespins and just hung some pictures from these. So that's going to be it from me for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment down below which one of these was your favorite, and if you've ever tried any of these before. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.